Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HUSA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day here. You can see the big increase in volume, and then the price obviously reacted with it very nicely. So we'll first start talking about levels of support, and then we'll map out that very, I think, evident. I shouldn't say evident because if you're not familiar with charts, it wouldn't be evident. But there's if you're watching level 2s, I'm sure you know exactly where I'm going to go with that. But let's first start talking about levels of support. And the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That's going to be 35 cents. On a couple different occasions, you can see right there and there. The bears try to press down through, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. Now, if the price does drop below 35 cents, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, if the price can stay above there, that by far would make the chart look the strongest. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and really kind of making things a lot more simplistic is just keep an eye on that purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move upwards like that. And if you picture that as a trend line, well, then it kind of becomes obvious by default because, well, what does the price have to do from a big picture perspective in order to remain above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself has got to uptrend, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them a certain way, they almost insult your intelligence. So again, big picture perspective, very simplistic way to look at things. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control. Now, what about that area of resistance? Where's the key battleground right now? That level is right up here at the 40-cent mark. I'm not going to count the number of times, but I mean, you can just see multiple times there and then a whole bunch of times this afternoon. The bulls were knocking on the door. They just couldn't quite push through. So 40 cents, definitely public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, very, very nice day. And as long as the price continues to build higher bases, long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.